The Chi has been called, the offerings have been made. Now, the practitioner waits to receive. A response from the Chi may come in many ways, as a sudden clarity of thought, as a feeling of warmth or peace, as a vision, as a sound, as a sudden memory of something forgotten. The Igbo understand that the Chi communicates, not always in thunder and enlightening, but in the gentle language of spiritual knowing. The Dibia, if present, may also read the patterns of a thrown afa, cowries or seeds to interpret the Chi's message. Step 7. Ikwa Ekele, the closing prayer of thanksgiving. Ikpotu Chi does not end abruptly. The closing is as sacred as the opening. The practitioner thanks Chukwu, they thank the Ndi Ichie, the ancestors. They thank their Chi, they release the sacred space, affirm their continued commitment to work in alignment with their Chi, and seal the prayer. A common closing affirmation in Igbo tradition might be Chim Goziem, Chim Chebem, Chim Nodu Nazum n'oge niile. This means my Chi bless me, my Chi protect me, my Chi stand behind me at all times. Nzu, the sacred white chalk, is used to mark the practitioner, drawing lines on the forehead, wrists, chest, and sometimes feet. This is not merely symbolic decoration. In ordinary, Nzu marks a person as one who has been in communion with the sacred. It is a seal, a protection, a declaration that this person has spoken with the divine and carries that blessing into the world. Part 5. The deeper significance of Ikpotu Chi. Brothers and sisters, why does any of this matter? Why in this age of technology, of globalization, of modernity, should we care about ritual from the Igbo people that has been practiced for thousands of years? Here is the answer. Because Ikpotu Chi is not just religion, it is psychology, it is self-awareness, it is recognition that every human being has an inner life, a deeper self, a purpose that was embedded in them before birth. And when we consistently ignore that inner self, when we live without ever acknowledging the divine dimension of our existence, we feel lost, we feel purposeless, we feel disconnected. Ikpotu Chi is the Igbo ancestors' way of saying, you are not alone. You were never meant to navigate this life alone. There is a force personal to you, assigned to you, invested in you, that is waiting to be called, waiting to be acknowledged, waiting to co-create